Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video I will be collaborating with Ywigs. They sent me 3 bundles of their 20-inch water wave bulk human hair. You want to see the process and the outcome of this protective style? Keep watching. I am going to be doing jumbo boho passion twists. I honestly personally prefer passion twists over box braids. Don't ask me why. I've never done jumbo before and I'm doing them extra long, like extra long as my arms can stand me to twist. As always, I am going to be recording and filming the entire time so you guys can see the process. I just got a little head start. I had to get in the rhythm of it, so I think I'm good now. Quick disclaimer before I start, I am using like 2 different types of hair, the water wave hair, and also I'm pretty sure this is spring twist. It's really all of the hair that I had left over from the last time that I did passion twist, so I'm trying to mix it in and hopefully it blends. We're gonna see. So right here I'm just using my spray bottle to make it a little easier for me to detangle my ends with all this product that I got in my hair. And if it wasn't already obvious, I am doing the crochet method. My hair really just won't stand a chance any other way. It's gonna hook on my first 2 strands of hair. Like I said, I am using 2 different types of hair. I believe this is the spring twist hair. It's so old, so I'm not really 100% sure, but I will leave all of the information and links down in the description below. I ended up using 6 strands of spring twist hair per twist because they were so thin, and 4 strands of the free tress water wave hair per twist. Before actually starting the twist, I do what I like to call a mock twist, just to make sure I'm twisting in the right direction, and you'll know when you're not because the twist will look a little something like this. A little squiggle rather than this, a rope. Really is the best way that I can explain it to you. Once I find my rhythm of the direction that I'm going to twist in, I'm going to crochet in my first piece of human hair just like I did the spring twist hair, only this time I'm going to leave half down and the longer half of the curl is going to get clipped away. After adding a little more gel to the ends of my hair to prevent any type of frizz, I'm wrapping a strand of the spring twist hair around the base to, number 1, hide the rubber band, and number 2, further secure the twist. Wrap around 3 to 4 times, then evenly splitting the spring twist hair and my hair into 2 sections. I'm going to gently, very gently, comb through both sections to make sure everything is blended, and then get straight into my twist. Feeding in my second curl, I'm starting with the longer side in my mouth, holding it taut while I twist in the other side. Now I'm okay with this because of course it's my head, but please, I have to say this, please don't do this on someone else's head. I'd recommend having them hold the other side of the curl while you twist, or you could use a clip. Mine just wasn't sturdy or strong enough. You see me tugging and pulling, so to answer all of y'all questions, these curls are not going nowhere. Secure for sure. When it comes to feeding the curl in at the bottom, I'm going to be using my extended passion twist technique. If you missed that tutorial, I will leave the link to that down in the description below for a more detailed tutorial. But the quick version, basically I'm twisting both sides separately of the strands and then together to make one twist. Once I get to the end of my twist, I'm just going to do a simple double knot to seal off the twist. Again, If that wasn't detailed enough, I do have a more detailed tutorial on my channel, and I will link that down below. Be able to show y'all fully how I put these edges on, but I do have a tutorial on my page. I will attach it down below, leave the link, all that good stuff. It is the next day. Let's see how these edges are looking. Not bad, not bad. I want these edges to give dramatique, not dramatic, dramatique. So I feel like why else wear fake edges if not dramatic? So question is, do I want to use mousse or got to be? I'm gonna try a little bit of mousse first. I'm going to take my foundation and just clean up and try to blend out those black knots. I love this stuff right here. It smells so good and it just gives the hair that extra overall shine that it needs. Y'all was trying to hate in the comments a little bit in the last video that I added on fake baby hairs, but like it's giving with the protective style. It's so nice to be able to do dramatic edges because my edges could never. they could never. This is so long. Sitting down is at my kneecaps, so I can only imagine how long it is when I stand up. Honestly, I'm not really used to jumbo protective styles. I usually stay away from those because I don't know, sometimes it make my head look a little big, but this is cute. It might still have to grow on me a little bit. All of the details to the hair, tools that I use, products, all of that will be left in the description down below. And for those of you guys that want to check it out, overall, the hair feels really nice. The hair that I use for the bohemian braids compared to the hair that I use today, I can just tell that it's much better quality. It's so much thicker. It's beautiful. The only thing I wished is that it was like darker or black, because I think the twist hair that I used was like a 1, so it was like black basically, but it's all good. Other than that, 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Looked up on a cloudy day, way too breezy, streets cold when I'm making my way. Can't tell me now about stress when I'm trying to get paid. Can't tell me now about stress when the clouds bring rain.
That is all I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, comment some ideas down in the comment section that you guys may want to see me do here on my channel. Refer to the description box down below for all information and questions regarding hair and tools. And I will see y'all in the next video.